In this short guide, custom pages, publishing your own pages on your PrepareBuddy domain, with SEO metadata and lead capture.
Custom pages let you publish pages on your own domain. PrepareBuddy.com/whatever you choose. Set the slug and the title, make it publicly accessible, and switch on lead capture to turn it into a form. Then the SEO layer, meta description, open graph tags, and structured data in JSON-LD. You can add sources and FAQs for search engines, and if you would rather not write the HTML yourself, PrepareBuddy hands you a ready-made prompt. Paste it into whichever AI tool you use, and it will generate the page for you. Or start from the built-in examples, a hero with a call to action, feature cards, an FAQ accordion, a full landing page, drop one in, and preview exactly how it will look before you publish it.
And that is custom pages in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.